Okay. Sawadee good morning. We're from the Lokar Herbal team. So this is our product. It's called Lokar Herbal. So basically, Lokar Herbal is a functional beverage made from the coffee mistletoe leaves, and it is used to maintain the immunostimulant properties in our bodies because it's rich in antioxidant. So in the coffee mistletoe leaf, it has like 3 times higher antioxidant than the green tea. So our product is actually trying to address 2 cases in Indonesia. The first case is coming from the health sector. So in Indonesia, there are 2 diseases that the numbers are kept rising. The first disease is called long COVID. As you can see right here, about 10 to 20% of COVID survivors experience long COVID. So long COVID is basically like post-pandemic disease. And the second disease that we're trying to solve is the HIV/AIDS. So as you can see, the Indonesia and Thailand are the 2 countries with the highest number of patients of HIV/AIDS. And the second sector that we're trying to solve is actually coming from the social problem. So we've done a lot of interviews with, the local coffee farmers in Bandung, and they say that their plants are getting destroyed or getting damaged. And after we finding out what was the cause of it, it's actually because of this particular reason right here. This called coffee mistletoe leaves. So we did our literature study, and we found out that it is actually parasitic, but it has antiviral and cytotoxic activities, and it has like potential of antioxidants. So that's why we created Lokar Herbal. So basically, Lokar Herbal is trying to decrease the number of patients of long COVID and HIV/AIDS, as well as helping the local coffee farmers in Bandung. So here are some of the ingredients that we use to make Lokar Herbal. There is star fruit, there is stevia leaves, there's green apple, and this one is peppermint. This is the main ingredient, which is the coffee mistletoe leaves, and this one is the butterfly pea flower. And this is the result. This is the final product. And our product has like 2 main variants. The first one is the ready to drink bottle, and the second one is tea bag. So both of the product available in 2 flavors, which is the original and apple flavors. And we have already obtained like a lot of licensings and certification. As you can see right here, here's the certificate of analysis coming from the Bandung laboratory, and this too is the halal certification from the Ministry of Religious Affairs of Indonesia, and this right here is the business permission certification from the Ministry of Investment. And this too right here is the like government grant. We've obtained like around almost like 9 million rupiah from this, and these other certificates is coming from other institutions or universities. So our product actually has been commercialized, and this is like our social business model canvas, and this is our feasibility study and our financial projection right here. As you can see, the ROI is 50.7% with a payback period of 15 months, and the NPV is also positive, remain 50.5 million rupiah, and with the IRR of 31% within just 2 years. And this is like our future work of what we plan to do. So there are three key areas that we are planning to do. The first is in the legal and administrative. We are trying to obtain the Haki and PRT licensing, which we are already in the process. And the second area is in the business and marketing, which we are planning to expand our market reach and increase our product awareness. And the third one is about the product diversification, where we are planning to create more types of product and more variants. And this is like some of the testimony from our customer. They say that our product is kind of like refreshing and sour and has sweet sour taste. So would you like to try some? Kampung Kaut, that's all.